Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Video Guide. Today I am going to give you the exercise question answers from the chapter Things Around Us, Class 3 CBSE board. So let's start. So at first we have some objectives. Number A, choose the correct answer. Number 1, in which of these forms does water exist in nature? Solid, liquid, gas, all. So answer is all. That means solid, liquid and gases. Number 2, which of these is not true about air? It is a mixture of gases. It contains water vapor. It contains oxygen. It has a fixed shape and size. Answer is number D. It has a fixed shape and size. Number 3, which of the following do not have shape and size of their own? Solids, liquids, gases, all. So answer is gases. Number 4, which of these is true about vaporization of water? Number A, it happens when water is heated. Number B, water changes to water vapor. Number C, no new substance is formed. Number D, all of this. So answer is all of this. So A, B, C, all the options are correct. Number 5, what happens when we keep water in the freezer for a few hours? Water changes to ice, water vaporizes to water vapor, water starts boiling, water changes to steam. Answer is number A, water changes to ice. Number B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, air is a mixture of many gases. Number 2, all living things need oxygen to live. Number 3, water freezes to form ice. Number 4, water vapor is a gas formed when water is boiled. Number 5, water vapor condenses to form water. Next one, very short, give the correct term. Things that have a fixed shape and size and do not flow. That is solid. Number 2, things that can easily flow and take the shape of the container. Answer is liquid. Number 3, the process by which water changes to vapor, that is vaporization. Number 4, the process by which water changes to ice, that is freezing. Number B, give 2 examples for each of the following. Number 1, solid, table, chair. Number 2, liquid, water, oil. Number 3, gas, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Next one, some definitions are there. Number 1, melting, the process by which a solid changes to its liquid form on heating. Number 2, vaporization, the process by which a liquid changes to its gaseous form on heating. Number 3, condensation, the process by which a gas changes to its liquid form on cooling. Number 4, solid. Solids have fixed shape and it does not flow. Number 5, liquids. Liquids have fixed size but do not have fixed shape and can flow easily. Number 6, gases. Gases do not have fixed shape and size and can flow easily. Number 7, change of form of water. Water changes its form by heating and cooling. Okay, next one, answer the following questions. Number 1, describe the 3 forms in which things exist. The 3 forms in which things exist are solids, liquids and gases. Solids have a definite shape and volume. They do not flow and cannot be poured in container. Liquids have a definite volume. They do not have a fixed shape but take the shape of the container. Gases do not have definite shape or volume. Number 2, write 2 differences between solids and liquids. Number 1, solids have a fixed or definite shape. Number 2, liquids do not have any definite shape. They take the shape of the container. Number 2, solids do not flow. Number 2, their liquids flow easily. Now there is a diagram. With the help of our drawing, show how water changes its forms on heating and cooling. So here it is ice. Now by melting on heat, it can be melting on heating, and on cooling it can be freezing. Okay, next one. Then this liquid form of water in the glass when boiling and vaporizing on heating, and condensation on cooling. And this one is water vapor, that is gas. When we boil the water, water vapor comes out from it. Okay, now high order thinking skill, that means HOTS. Number 1, every time Maya leaves a glass of cold coffee on the table, water droplets form on the glass. Where do you think the droplets come from? The water vapor present in air when comes in contact with the cool surface of the glass of a cold coffee, water droplets will be formed on the outside of the glass. Number 2, why do clothes dry up faster in summer than in winter? Wet clothes dry up faster in summer because the sun's heat quickly evaporates some moisture present in the clothes. So these are the exercise question answers from the chapter Things Around Us, class 3 science. I will give you the inside question answers in the next video. So till then, take care and bye.